What we're showing right here is our reference design that is showing our Merrifield processor. But as far as the phone itself, we have just a standard form factor. It looks good, which is nice to be able to show what's inside. It's got a 8-megapixel camera. It's got the volume on the side with the screen lock rotation. Also, on the bottom, rather than a regular USB port, it's got the USB 3 in the bottom. So this is what we're showing for the Merrifield processor, which is the latest dual-core processor for the Intel Atom family, and it's got an integrated sensor hub, and all that is referring to is that it creates, for example, a more outstanding performance, such as we have here with GameLoft's GT Racer 2. The accelerometer, for example, on this game is integrated onto the Merrifield processor, so that as we are driving through the race course for this game, it's more responsive, and the battery life is much longer than it otherwise would be. So they've developed this game optimized for this Intel Atom processor.
And our values in our case,
so
what we care more is about effort, about teamwork.
you can see as I tilt the screen, this is how you would actually steer the vehicle as it goes through the course. So here you can see the graphics, the vibrance in the background, the reflections and the shadows on the race course itself. Again, it's the performance you'd expect with the efficiency for running applications. We have another example right here to my right of a video, and this video will actually play on the left-hand side in a standard 24 frames per second. So that's what it captures the video as, but it enhances it with the auto enhancement to 60 frames per second to give you a higher quality video to upload to YouTube or wherever you're going to upload your video to. Another example of what we have is a fitness IQ software that was developed by Intel engineers to show that there are applications that can run on a device all the time without having a significant impact on battery life. So this IQ, you set goals and then you can track them for the day, over the course of a week, and then over the course of time, and you would never have to shut this application down with worrying if your battery was going to die. But whoever's going to be taking up the project and manufacturing this device for the Intel Atom processor, the Merrifield, will be able to optimize it with its integrated sensor hub to make it as efficient as possible with the performance that you'd expect. So again, this is the latest in the Intel Atom family of processors. It's 22 nanometer, it's 64-bit enabled, and it's going to be fast and it's going to be efficient. We're excited about this at our Intel booth.